Oh, it's James from Trains for New South Wales Vlogs, and I'm here today at Scarborough. And we're sitting on platform number 1, T109, just departed with a waterfall service, stopping all stops through to Helensburgh and then waterfall. Anyway, Scarborough is located on the south coastline. Obviously, trains stop here on platform 2, they go to Port Kembla, and on platform 1 there is waterfall services and south coast trains come flying through here, so do not stop here. So no Kiama and no Sydney Central services going express. Anyway, Scarborough is also located on the ocean. You can see the ocean there in the background, so we're currently next to the south coast coastal areas. So I love Scarborough because it's right on the ocean. I've always wanted to come here, so I'm here now. Today we're going to get 2 freight trains, I believe, or 2 or 3 freighters. So we're going to get a few nice freighters here today at Scarborough. Then I'll be heading back towards the south coast further up. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a vlog here for you guys, and I hope you all sit back and enjoy. Thank you. And we're just about to have a Clyde to Port Kembla bound freighter, just about to come through here at the railway crossing with a beautiful sea in the background. I just moved to here. Sorry I did miss a couple of passenger trains whilst getting here, because it's a bit of a walk from Scarborough station. It's about a 10-minute walk, it's not too terrible, but did miss a few passenger trains, but it'll be worth it for this shot. So we're just about to have some 81s come on powering through here at Scarborough. That'll be our first freighter of the video. Just about to come through. Thank you. And the run number is 1921. Anyway, I'll see you when it comes through. Thanks. And that was the empty cement train bound for Port Kembla from Clyde. Anyway guys, I'll see you when the next train comes. We have a 82 class on a light engine movement. We'll also get it here because it's quite a nice spot here. And then yeah, we'll head back to the station eventually. We'll get the rest of the trains that come through after the 82 class. Thank you. And the run number for this one is D972, and this is a light engine movement with an 82 class. So anyway guys, I'll see you when it comes shortly. That was 8212 on a light engine movement. Anyway, I'm back at Scarborough station. You can see a nice view of the ocean now. I'm on platform number 2 now, and I'm just waiting for my train back towards the Wollongong direction, where I'll have to change trains. And I'm going all the way to Bomaderra today, so it should be a nice journey. Anyway, the next service that should be coming through, I believe, is a Express Oscar service bound for Kiama. Should be rocketing through very shortly. And then after that should be my train or a train from the other direction. But I'm back here at Scarborough because I didn't want to start the railway crossing because it's starting to pour down rain in a second probably. So anyway, Scarborough still has the old station sign by the way. And this is Scarborough for you. Sort of enjoy Scarborough, it's pretty cool. So anyway, I'll see you shortly when we have Express Oscar bound for Kiama. Now the Kiama service now passing. H44 is the set. Forecast set H44 bound for Kiama. Next stop will be Farrell, followed by North Wollongong, and then all stops through to Kiama. And now we have a waterfall service now arriving into platform at number 1, stopping at Colcliffe, Stanmore Park, Otford, Helensburgh, and then Waterfall. H6 is the set. Waterfall service now departing, stopping all stops through the waterfall. And we're just about to have a Port Campbell service approach. This service will be stopping all stops to Farrell, and then all stops to Wollongong, and then all stops onto Port Campbell. Anyway guys, now time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to my channel and like and favourite my videos. Thanks for watching this vlog at Scarborough, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching and bye for now. Said it is T109.